Jai Swaminarayan. We are on the D question. Okay. So in your own find out book, make a list like this. So you have to make the list of World Cups which in which year they are held, and which tournament there are. T20 World Cups and ICC World Cup are there for men's, for women's, and who are the winners. Okay, it is the information. Who are the cricket lovers? Very fond of to collect such type of information, right? So let's start our next chapter. That is building vocabulary. So words having the same or almost the same meaning are known as synonymous. Find an example: deduct and subtract. So here we are using the or we can say we are understanding the words which have same meaning. Okay, the spelling and the words totally different, but both have same meanings, and how they use in the sentence we will study now. Okay, find the synonyms for the word in bold, fill in the blanks. So let's start. His report was concise, and he read it out within a few minutes. So the report is so small, so contested, that it is very it gets less time to read. Okay, he read in a few minutes, that means it is short one na. So same word concise, except concise we use the word here short. The meaning of the both words is same. The short play was over within an half hour. So have you ever seen the short play? It is a play, but it is most of the play takes time of 1 hour or 3 hours, but there are also some small plays for children or also for elders also, so they are completed only in 20 or 10 minutes. So these are the short plays. So we have to concentrate on these words. So concise and the short both have same meaning, right? Raghu Rai is an eminent photographer. So Raghu Rai is the good, best, or we can say famous photographer. So have you ever heard about him? He is the best photographer. You have to see his photography. Sanjeev Kapoor is a dash Indian chef. I think everyone is food lover. So no one is there who don't know about Sanjeev Kapoor. Even I watch, whenever I get time, I watch his video and learn to many dishes from these videos. Okay, so we better know about Sanjeev Kapoor. He is the best chef, Indian chef. So he is a famous. So here the words famous and eminent have same meaning. Okay, that means popular, right? Na? Next. The layout of building was admired by everyone. The layout means it is the drawing of building. So it how building was constructed, that features are drawn on the paper. It is called layout. And same here. See the B sentence. The dash of bridge has many floors. The design of bridge has many floors. Design means also the picture of the whatever we are making, or we can say whatever we are constructing is called the design, or we can say layout. Get it? Then the blowing of horns is prohibited near hospitals and school. So everyone know this, right? So loud sounds and loud music also completely banned near the hospitals and schools. So prohibit means not allowed, strictly not allowed. It is prohibited. Then the teacher told the students, you are forbidden from talking to each other during the exam. So everyone know this rule. Okay, whenever there are exam, strictly every teacher told us don't talk with each others. So the meaning of prohibited and forbidden is same, that is strictly not allowed. Get it? Then next, he was very reluctant to go out out as it was a very hot day. And second sentence, on such a lovely day he was unwilling to sit at home. unwilling, no, not wanted, and here also it is not wanted, as there was hot day, that is summer hot day, the temperature is maximum, that's why he don't want to go out. And whenever there is a lovely day, that is small raindrops are there, otherwise we can say fog is there, or you can say little sunrise is there, so everyone want such a situation where we want to wandering now. So no one wants in such situation to stay at home, means reluctance and unwillingness, don't want. Get it? Now these are the synonyms. Now we have to study now anatomies words. Words that mean opposite or almost opposite to each other are known as anatomies. The words which have exactly opposite meaning is called anatomies. So write anatomies for the words in bold. So here dark and black color words are given, and we have to use exactly opposite words of it here. Okay, so start. He is hard working, but his brother is, so he is very hard working. Okay, so opposite of hard working, lazy. So first word is given here, L. So hard working का opposite क्या है? Lazy. Next, people though thought that Manish was foolish, but he was actually quite intelligent. Foolish means foolish, or we can say dull. Okay, but after some examination or after talking to him, everyone realized that he was intelligent, talent, brilliant. Right now? Now third, everyone thought that he was guilty, but eventually it was proved that he was innocent. So guilty means he has done something wrong, and innocent means he is not wrong, he is absolutely innocent. The new government abolished the tax that was instituted in the previous government. So abolished and instituted are the opposite words. He performed his duty without paying much attention to praise or criticize. So both are praise means say good things, or we can say admire on something, or criticize means hate, or we can say curse on it, or hated on the something. So both are opposite words, praise opposite criticize. Get it? Now see, words that have same pronunciation or spelling but different meaning known as homonymous. So North Pole and Wooden Pole. The words that have same pronunciation but different meaning, here are the homophones. There. So we have already learned about these words. Okay. So THERE there means it is the demonstration pronouns, and it is there matlab means I think it is another type of pronouns it belongs to. So I doesn't remember, but these both have different meanings, right now, but pronunciation is same, spelling is also different. Get it? Okay, now next chapter. Who am I? Now it is belongs to literature. So it is about the English literature, and some famous novels, cartoons, and the serials or pictures, movies that are famous are we get knowledge about it in this chapter. Created by Daniel Defoe, he was a shipwrecker on a deserted island where I lived 20 years before I was rescued. I made a friends with an accepted prisoner who I named Friday. Who am I? So he is the Robinson Crusoe. It is a novel to believe he was a real person, and a book of travel of a true incident. Get it? Next, I am a detective. I was created by the English author Dame Agatha Christie and first appeared in her novel The Mysterious Affairs at Styles. I am a Belgian but live in London. I have helped solve many cases related to crime around the world.